When you're thinking about making a career change, you need to find the right place. What about here? What about here? This could be a good place to make a change. What about here? Or are you going to do it here? This looks like a good place to do it. Wherever that place may be, take a few steps back, survey the area, and take the time and think about it. There's going to be different points in your journey in life where you come to the conclusion that it's time for a change. It could be anywhere. It could be places like where I'm at right now. No matter where you decide to do it, even in a nice park like this, do it for the right reasons. Do it for your reasons. And your reasons are the most important of all. Ask the right questions. Ask questions that pertain to you, your family, your situation before you even consider making a change. Get those answers, make an informed decision, and you'll always make the right decision. That's what I did 14 years ago with Bar-Nunn Transportation. And I haven't regretted it one bit. I haven't been laid off at all. And going forward, it's going to take my family to the next level and help us cross the finish line. So if it's right for you, then do it. If it's not, take the time, do the research, and make the right decision.